Good morning, everyone. I wanted to do calendar this morning, so let's get started with our rules song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. Nice job singing, friends. Let's see. I wanted to pick one letter this morning, just like we've been doing. Let's see. I think I want to pick this letter today. What letter is this? Yes, it's a C. Let's pick the letter C. This is an uppercase C or big C, and this is a little c or lowercase. All right, let's do ABCs, and let's pick letter C. Here it is. It's a match, right? Right. C. C makes the k sound. Oh, what animal is this? You tell me, what animal is that? It's a cat. That's right. Nice job. Cat. Cat. There's the cat running across the screen. It goes up and across. Down. All right, what's next? Oh, we've been talking about this animal. It lives on a farm. What animal is that? You tell me. Yes, it's a cow. I'm going to write the word cow. Let's see. Is that right? My word? Is it a match? Yes, it's a match. And a cow says moo, and he lives on a farm. Where does it live? On a farm. That's right. This is a computer. You might see a computer at your house or at school. You can type on a computer. You can play games on a computer. It's typing. It says hi. Let's keep going. Oh yeah, you guys remember this. We're going to match the letters. We're going to make a word. What letter is this? This is C. This is the letter we're talking about, right? C. Goes right here like a puzzle. And then, what's this letter? Is this an A? No. Is this an A? No. Is this an A? Yes. Let's make a match. This is a letter M. Where's the match? That's a match. That's an M. Good. And then this letter is P. What does it spell? They're going to sound it out for us. Camp. And they talk about Starfall Camp. Do you guys remember? They're jumping and playing and swimming. You guys, I'm remembering you guys really liking the letter C now that I see it. All right, so that's Starfall Camp, right? Some people go to summer camp and you could play outside and swim. And I see the lifeguard over here. That's fun. All right, now let's do our calendar, right? Let's do it. Letter C was fun, but letter C is all done. All right, we're going to do the days of the week first. Get ready.
Yippee! It's April 2020.
Here we go.
Let's make a calendar.
Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday, right? What day is it? Thursday. Nice job. Let's click on the box. Today's Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Let's do our months of the year. And I remembered my month poster. What do we start with? We always start with January when we talk about the months, when we go in order. Ready? Okay. Let's see. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Great job. The month is called April, right? What month? April. We haven't spelled the word April in a couple days, so you tell me the letters in the word April. Ready? A. What comes next? P. R. I. L. That spells April. Nice job, you guys. All right, Thursday, April. Now, let's do our counting on the calendar. We start with number 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What comes next? 16. Nice job. Let's see what a 16 looks like. So I see that here. 16 or 16th. Write a 1. Straight line down 1. Make a 6. That's 16. Nice. All right. We are halfway done through April. Wow. Well, yesterday we were halfway done. Let's fill up our 10 frames. This is 10, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's put another pink dot. What color dot? Pink. Yeah. All right. So now we have 16 dots using 2 10 frames. Nice job, you guys. All right, let's do the weather. That's the last thing we have to do. Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? I don't have, let's see. I'm going to look out my window in Northbridge and you can see it on my face. It's so bright outside, you can see it. What is bright outside? Is it rainy at my house, do you think? Or is it what? I'm gonna make it, ready? It's a circle. It's in the sky, and it's bright. It's sunny. It's the sun. S-U-N-N-Y spells sunny. Great. I love that it's sunny today. I think it's a little colder, but it's still sunny, so that's nice. All right, friends, let's do the whole date, okay? Can you tell me the date? Today is Thursday. That's the day of the week, right? What's the month? April. What was that number? 16th. 2020. And the weather is what? My nice picture of the sun. Great job, you guys. All right. So calendar is all done. I'm going to do another group later today for afternoon group, okay? Bye.